In this video, I'm going to show you how to change base currency in Zoho Expense. So to do this, you actually cannot do it inside the settings, okay? So if I go to admin view over here and then the settings, and if I go to up top where it says organization profile, you'll see that there's an option to actually see currency. So under regional settings, you can find over here, currently my base currency is GBP over here, so Great British Pound. And of course, when I hover over it, it's grayed out and it won't actually allow me. So if I click on manage currencies over here, then of course it's not going to let me either way, so I cannot click anything to actually make it change it. So the only way to do this is as follows. I've talked to support and the support told me they actually cannot do this for me and I cannot do it manually either. So what I would have to do is basically just create a new company up top. So go to plus button or not the plus button, click on your company, and then you want to go to manage top right, and you have to create on a new organization or new company. So click on organization over here and you basically have to create a new one, and here you can basically set the new currency, which is going to be your new base currency, okay? But that's essentially the only way to do this. It's not essentially changing, but if you want a different one, you kind of have to start from scratch, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.